these folks talking about some damn they didn't know I didn't have my CDLs. I told them that. They know all I had was driver's license. So they're gonna say, hey, Mr. Trey, we're gonna have to let you go, man. Cops to find out you didn't have your CDLs, but we're gonna pay you a 2 to 3 day check, man. We're just gonna have to mail it to you though. Your card information hasn't had time to go throughout the system just yet, so we're gonna have to mail it to you. I wanted to slap that damn man so bad, cause I told you. Well, I ain't telling them, but y'all supposed to already know I ain't had that shit. They supposed to already know that. Now you want to act like once I done start working, get a hang of shit, that y'all act like I'm supposed to know that. So y'all, we're back with no damn job again. That's all right. That's okay though. That's all right. That's all right.